Hi everyone, welcome back to another Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo 2. All right, so this is where I'm challenging every one of you to use your red clearance sticker items that you purchase. I predominantly focus on dies. However, this week, as well as the dies, I am throwing in the markers that I was able to pick up on clearance. So, anyways, down below, you will find the playlist to everyone who is on YouTube. And then don't forget to head over to Instagram because I do have some players that have entered on Instagram as well. And so all you have to do is use that hashtag and I will be able to find you. All right. And so I think that is it. Let's jump right in. So I'm going to start off with the markers. So if you haven't went to their art clearance yet, they do have clearance going on and their markers were $1.24. And I bought a whole stack. I did go out and pick up one more of these because I realized that I didn't pick them all up. But anyways, these are the markers that I'm using this week. And I was able to stamp out an art impression stamp, and look at how well those markers blend. The only thing I did not use the markers for were their hair. And I think I used maybe Copic and some like really thin markers that I got in the previous Hobby Lobby clearance. So I guess it's still Hobby Lobby clearance, huh? But anyways, I love how it turned out. Those ladies look like they're having an awesome time. All right, let me jump right into the tags. So this week I am using this die here, and I'm just using the Christmas tree. Only the Christmas tree. I didn't add the snowflakes or anything else in there, but just the Christmas tree part. And then I am also using this one from last year, and I use this little deer and this bottom of the snow globe there. All right, and I thought these little Christmas trees turned out adorable. They're really cute, just simple. They were quick and easy to put together. I didn't start working on these till yesterday. Normally, I start sometime in the middle of the week. So I was trying to find something quick and easy, and this is what I came up with. That's how the back of it looks. So I can just add a name or something right there. But I love how they turned out. I was thinking about adding that puffy snow on there or stickles or something just to enhance it a little bit. I don't know if I will, but as of right now, these are what I made for my Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo. I hope you like what I created. I hope you take the time to enter as well. Don't forget to use that hashtag Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo 2, and I will be able to find you and you and you. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.